Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to the vlog. And today is Sunday and my plan is to go on a long ride. Hopefully long ride or lagpas ng tops. Currently nasa Lower Busay na po tayo. Hindi na po ako nag-record, pero currently nasa Lower Busay na po and we are going to push through Gaslamp and all the way to tops or unahan pa sa tops. Okay, we'll see. Hopefully kaya natin today. After sa Gaslamp ay we will push through tops. Hopefully kaya natin today. Woo! Sunday. Daming ride. Wheelies. Bayag Coffee closed pa. Ay, okay na naman. Chill muna tayo saglit after ng Gaslamp kasi ditong section na ito from after Gaslamp ay sobrang tarik and hindi pa kaya naman, pero hindi ko lang i-risk. So balik, saktong conserve lang tayo ng energy to push through sa ating destination today. Anyway, by the way guys, this is my last ride in Cebu kasi we're going back home na sa province namin and dadalhin ko na yung bike. Okay, so let's proceed going to tops. I think that's the tops or unahan ng tops. We'll see. Alright, so I decided not to push through. I'm about around 11 kilometers and few kilometers away, siguro mga more or less 4 kilometers away sa destination natin. So I decided not to push through kasi feeling ko hindi ko kaya today. Unlike before, my ride going to tops was like smooth lang. Hindi po ako masyadong nahihirapan. Today, feeling ko hindi ko po kaya sa base lang sa range ng katawan ko today. Anyway, we will have our breakfast sa baba and right away uwi na po tayo after. Yeah. Temple of Leia. This is going to Temple of Leia. Sobrang tarig, as you can see. I hope the camera gives justice sa uphill niya. Anyway, kapag bukariswet na po ako and I decided to push through tops or kahit sa crossing lang naman. Let's go. Grabe, every few meters ay nagpapahinga tayo. Sobrang tarik na po, as you can see sa likod, pero malapit lang naman na. Around 350 meters going sa crossing ng tops. Hopefully kaya natin hanggang crossing lang ng tops, kahit sa crossing lang, and hopefully makahanap tayo ng breakfast. Anyway, we will push through. Medyo alangan ako sa condition ko today. Ginigauge ko parang hindi ko kaya. Pero so far, pinupush through natin. Nakapag freshen up na ako, I got my Pocari Sweat and it will sustain hopefully. And yung siguro pag sakto yung PSI ko, parang malambot kasi yung gulong ko sa likod. Pero feeling ko pag sakto, makakatulong, a little bit easier. Pero excuses na lang. Anyway, we will proceed. Breakfast, saging. We are now at crossing Busay. Chill lang tayo dito. And tapos baba na ulit tayo and breakfast or coffee. Basta bahala na. Importante nakapag Busay crossing tayo, and for me good na po 'yun. Sunday, as expected, maraming breakfast ride. Anyway, we will head back home and luluto na lang for breakfast and a good cup of coffee. Anyway, uwi na po tayo. Favorite spot? Ang sarap mag-bike. Capitol, Cebu. We are now at the heart of Cebu, 20 Osmeña roundabout. Pagdali, kaya walay traffic. Whew. Pwede mag-jogging diha. Sulod. Excuse. Okay, almost home. It was a nice ride. Bike lane. Bike lane, bike lane. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm home na and I cook my breakfast na lang. Kasi I went to Peloton Brew. Tapos maraming tao. So next store ay Willy's store. Nagluluto sila ng breakfast and unfortunately marami din tao. And my last option was Busay Cliff. And sobrang dami din ng tao. So I decided na dito na lang sa bahay breakfast. I know it's like late breakfast pero at least may breakfast tayo. Sunday kasi so maraming tao, marami talagang umakyat. Anyway, I have my coffee from Boss, bacon and egg. Anyway, breakfast muna ako. By the way guys, our total riding time was 24.30 kilometers and elevation was 575. That was our last ride dito sa Cebu. For sure, mamimiss ko talaga yung Cebu kasi sobrang active ng cycling community nila dito. Even if you ride on weekdays, ay marami talagang tao na umakyat, maraming nag-ride. Sa province ko, very few lang yung makikita mo nag-ride. Pero for sure, mamimiss ko talaga yung Cebu. Hopefully, makabalik ulit tayo dito. Anyway, yun lang guys. Kain muna ako ng breakfast. Thank you for watching. Ride safe. Bye-bye.